I think Mahesh rejoining. I think. Okay. Anyhow. Okay. Vinod, done. I mean, we'll start our session
Okay.
in just a minute. Maybe I will check once again with Mahesh. Maybe he will rejoin or not. Okay, friends. We'll start our session.
Okay, sir.
Uh, can you see my screen?
Uh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it visible now? Hello.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Today I will discuss about the concepts. Concepts in the sense. First, I will share you with the admin concept. What are the concepts we'll cover in this course? Once the concept is discussed, I will tell you today how to create Salesforce arc. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Coming to here, first we have the topic Salesforce platform basics. Coming to here, Salesforce platform basics in the sense. How was the platform? How was the Salesforce platform is developed and what are the use cases and how we can understand the Salesforce architecture and navigating setups in the sense how we are going to um, navigate in the sense how we can log in and how we can access one application to another application, how it will be user friendly, eco friendly. So those everything will go with help of the navigation setup. And after that, power up with app exchange. That in the sense, app exchange that will be covered once the admin is completed. It will be covered in development. Next, after that, second one is data modeling. In this data modeling, uh, we need to mainly understanding on objects, objects and custom objects and standard objects. How it will be vary and how we can create object relationships, and that means we have relationships in Salesforce that will be covered in this concept. And after that, work with schema builder in the sense that once the object is developed, we have like one page, we have to display that object related fields in one page layout. That will be comes under the schema builder. Okay. Next, after that, data management. So coming to data management, so data management will be plays main role in the Salesforce. Like we need to deal our customer data, so we need to import the data from the particular org, and once we done the changes as per the customer requirement, we need to export the data. It will be covered in the data management. So next coming here, we have lightning experience customizations. So lightning experience customizations. So first we have set up your org, and I mean how we can set up your own org and how to create lightning apps. Lightning apps in the sense same applications how we can develop and build. Uh, so after that, how we can customize the record highlights with compact layouts. So after that, create custom buttons and links. Custom buttons in the links in the sense like we have like suppose we have save button, delete button. We need to like those buttons
Hi,
will be.
Ravi.
Hello.
Hi, Ravi. There's an internet issue. Sorry.
Okay, okay. No problem, Mahesh. Okay. Is it clear now?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Can you
it's
see
clear.
my screen?
Yeah, I'm able to see the screen.
Okay. Mahesh, yesterday we did just introduction and how what is the Salesforce concept. I have recorded the video. I will share with that
Okay.
link today. Okay. No need to worry
Yeah,
about
yeah.
that.
Okay. Okay.
So today I'm
Okay.
just discussing about the concepts. First I will discussing about admin concept. Okay. So these
Okay.
admin concepts I will share with you. So for your analyzing, I'm just explaining the
Okay.
concepts. Okay.
Okay.
So first initially it will be all comes with the basics. Okay. Once the basics is done, we are going to start our creating applications and objects and related respected fields and its relationships and customizing based on our requirements. Everything will be comes under that initial part. Okay. So once it
Okay.
is done, coming to here lightning experience and customization. So we need to set up our own org and the same thing,
Okay.
create customize our lighting applications, customize views, record highlights. So everything will be we can do our custom like the standard will be different. So we can as per our own requirements we can build or develop our own applications and views and records also, and we can create custom buttons and links.
Okay.
So coming to here, we have like a Salesforce mobile application customization. Here we need to start with the first like a mobile application. There we need to uh, create navigations. Navigation in the sense you have idea, right? How we can the steps will be we need to follow, right? Those steps will be covered in this navigation part. After that, quick actions. Quick actions will be updated with help of that layouts. Layouts we can create shortcuts. Everything cover over here. So after that, customize compact layouts. It will be also related to the page layout. Will be happen. It will cover the topic. After that, user engagement. So user engagement in the sense like in the Salesforce, the licensing will be very important. Like it will be like a user license. There we will be covered about how the user engagement in the sense how we can update our user with related particular profiles, that will be covered over here. Next, reports and dashboards. So reports and dashboards in the sense like in Salesforce, coming to that home page. So if we have like suppose your annual or yeah, your annual performance or monthly performance, everything will be represented in help of reports. The same reports will be represented in the pictorial format, like right, that representation, list views, that tree diagram, everything will be covered with help of the dashboards. So that how we can create and how we can update, those will be covered in this topic. Next, formulas and validations. So formulas and validations will be like we can create the formulas instead of writing triggers to suppose if we have once your criteria met, so you need to automatically update that field. At that time you no need to wait for the time, you just write in a formula with validation rule automatically. Once the criteria, I mean once your requirements are fulfilled, automatically the work will be done. So the trigger will fire. So we no need to write as coming to development we need to write trigger. So but here we no need to write trigger. Automatically with help of formula or validation rule it will automatically get fired. So after that, coming to data security. So data security will be like controlling access we can give like some arg objects, field level, record level, role hierarchy, and sharing role. So in this sharing rule we will come like OWD, permission set, sharing set. Everything will be come over with help of this session. We will explain all the topics clearly. So after that, pick list administration. So pick list administration in sense before, what is pick list in the sense pick list will be like suppose coming to, yeah, suppose if we go with the country wise, country has multiple states. Is it correct, right? If suppose if he comes with India, we need to select the multiple states. Like that it will happen. Hello, hello guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, fine, thank you.
Okay.
You are following, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah,
yes, sir.
yeah,
Following.
yeah. Okay, yeah, sure. Okay. Next, we will go to next topic. Build a suggestion box app. So here, like, we can create an app and we can create custom fields. Suppose if we need to create, like, suppose I am creating the object called employee. Okay. In that employee having multiple fields, like suppose employee ID, employee name, employee job, and employee salary, employee depart number. Those will be, we can create as a fields. Like that we can create them. So we can create the related reports and dashboards also. So lightning flow. So here lightning flow, we can choose the automate tool, like we have flow builder, process builder, and workflow rule will be covered in this topic. So those are the like automation tools in Salesforce. So this will be comes under development part. Nowadays all concepts will be done by admin only. We no need to depend on developer. That's what will covered in this automation tool process, like lightning flow. Next, app exchange basics. So app exchange, like the similar thing what we have updated. We can update our orgs, like we can move our data from one org to another org. We can move our customization configurations. Everything will be covered by in this app exchange topic. Next, advanced formulas, like use basic logic in checkbox formulas. Yeah, similar thing what we have updated before. We can write the formulas with help of checkbox. So if suppose if the checkbox is checked, automatically that rule need to perform the task, and we need to complete the task, or else if the checkbox is selected, then only the record need to execute. Like that it will be uh, completed with help of formulas. Next, after that, use numbers, currency, percentage in formulas. So everything will be like comes under data types. So all the data types will be covered in the help of fields. Like you can see some more fields like use date time, and formulas. We can update based on the triggered particular time, particular date, then only the task need to update. If suppose one example is, suppose we have 25th Christmas is there, means at the time automatically I need to send one message. What message? So we can update that particular message. We can mention particular date and time also. Next, same a pick list in formulas. So same thing we can update pick list also. We can use in formulas, text, and advanced formulas, troubleshoot formulas. Suppose if I am searching for one particular field, at the time that field is not available, then automatically they need to get one error message. The particular field is not available, or else you don't have access to get access to that particular field. Like that we can cover. So those we can cover in the advanced formulas. So this is what, friends, we will cover in this particular admin concepts. Okay. So once admin is completed, we'll start our development. Okay. So I will share this document with you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, these all topics are only admin, sir.
Only admin.
All topics are admin. 15
Admin and
topics are admin. 14
yes,
topics.
yes. Admin
Okay.
means in this
Okay, sir.
this, yeah, this will be covered by developer also. Once you get this all topics, then you can start
Daily
development.
topic, one topic, sir.
Yeah, based on that possibility. Why? Because we need to get to know like how we are analyzing. We will share our concept, okay. But the thing is, we need to cover our topic with, and also we will assign some task with you, okay. So once you
Okay,
you
sir.
guys are completed, then it will be easy to move to another task, another session. Like suppose Salesforce platform is completed, right? So we'll start by tomorrow data modeling and data management. So max, or else we'll start one session also for one topic.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Today I will let you know how to create a Salesforce arc. Okay. I think you all guys see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Able to see.
Yeah. In this setup page, like in the Chrome, or else who are using Chrome, Mozilla, or else anything, you can just type like I'm already account is there, that's why it's showing. But anyhow, so in that search box you need to type as Salesforce as a Salesforce developer account. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Just you can click on first one also fine. You can just create. I mean the multiple tabs will be open. You just click on any one of the tab. And guys, you can please make sure that steps for your reference. But anyhow, I will share the recordings also. But the thing is, for your understanding, like you need to follow the steps. Okay, that's why I'm saying. Please make, if it's possible, just please make a note. Okay, the home page will be like here. We need to fill our details. Okay, so here, shall I start any one of the name, or else I will start my own? How it will?
అంటే ఇది మనం క్రియేట్ చేసుకునేది సార్ మన సేల్ ఫోర్స్ ఏమన్నా?
అవును మహేష్, అవును వినోద్. ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే మనం సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ ఆర్గ్ మహేష్, ఇది నీకంటూ ఒక సపరేట్ ఆర్గ్ ఇది, ఓకేనా.
దీనివల్ల మనకు ఉపయోగం ఏంటి సార్?
సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ ఆర్గ్ నువ్వు ప్రతిదీ రియల్ టైం నేర్చుకోవాలంటే ఇలానే. థీరీ ఎంతసేపు మనం థీరీ నేర్చుకుంటే నో యూస్. యూ నీడ్ టు గో ఇన్ హ్యాండ్స్ ఆన్. ప్రతిదీ రియల్ టైం హ్యాండ్స్ ఆన్ ఉంటుంది.
ప్రాక్టికల్స్ మాదిరి ప్రాక్టికల్ మామూలుగా మనం ఓన్లీ ప్రాక్టికల్.
ఎస్ సేమ్ థింగ్. సో నవ్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ like Amir Arun 1234 askar.com. So just I'm giving signing up. So now I need to open my Gmail. So you will receive like please check your email to confirm your account. So if you go over here, okay, you need to click on that link. You will get like verification link. You will get verification link. You will get URL link.
Arun sir,
you will get URL link. Hello.
yeah, వచ్చింది సార్ నా దానికి.
Okay,
సెండ్ టు వాట్సాప్ సార్.
just a minute. Yes, just a minute. So once you click on that, it will get like a confirmation. After that, you you need to reset your password. So you are able to see my screen, right? Hello.
Sir,
Okay, Vinod, leave it to your account, Vinod. I will tell you
1 minute, sir.
after. I will tell you how we can
Okay.
set up your arc. Okay. So for that only, I will show the steps.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So if you are able to see, right, so it showing like welcome to Salesforce, verify your account. If you come here, you need to check once like the username is correct or not. If it is the username is correct, you need to click on verify account. Hello, guys, following, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, Arun. Yes, Arun.
yeah. You need to create the password. Okay, the password will be like 8 characters, 1 letter, and 1 number. So the format will be like, suppose C, capital A, R U N at 1 2 3. You got it, right? We need to cover the characters, one special character, 1 number, and after that it will ask some security question. So in what city you are born? If you need to change, you can change. What's your mother name? What's your pet name? What's your childhood nickname? So like that, security questions. Why this security question means, once your account is got locked or else anything is happened, for recovery purpose it will ask. So I'm giving the answer. Okay, now I'm giving change password. So here we have a short option like save. If you click save, then next time you no need to type the password, automatically it will get open. So friends, you are able to see, right? This
Yes,
is,
sir.
yeah, this is our Salesforce login page, like setup page. This is your own org. Once you create the Salesforce org, here everything will be available with help of quick find. If suppose you need to type an application, objects, pick list, everything we can check with help of this setup. This we can call it as setup page. Okay, next, coming to here, you are able to see this profile, right, icon. Yeah, that will be your account. Okay, that will be account, and I will show you the home page also. The main home page. So now you are able to see, right, this is classic. The representation how was in classic, you are able to see, right? So this is when around 4 to 5 years back, everyone using this Salesforce Classic. Now everyone is switched to Salesforce Lightning. I will show you how it will be. Switch to Lightning experience. So this is the Salesforce Lightning home page. So I will explain the basic terms, okay, how it will be. So here you are able to see, this is the logo. Logo is standard logo, it will came. You need to update your logo, we can update. This 9 dots, this we can call it as app launcher. Here we can get all the services and objects and application related. After that, this home, opportunity, leads, task, file, accounts, everything will be standard tabs. Tabs, you have already read tabs. If you need to create any tab, we can create custom tabs. This is what I throw it, right, like that quarterly performance, events, tasks, everything will be covered on help of reports and dashboards. And we can create the events and the task and recent records. If you need to create any record, we can create. and here this is your profile. We can log out. We have, if we need to update any settings, we can update over here, and if we need to log out, we can click here. And this one is notification, and here this is setup page. Earlier I showed you, right, how we can go to setup page. If we need to go to setup page, we need to just click on the setup page. The setup page will be opened in new tab. So here the search bar, this is global search. Global search in the sense it will display all the contents available from your particular org. If suppose if I search Amur Arun, in the sense it will be open wherever is available in the users, profiles, everything, whatever the content is available related to Amur Arun, it will display. And one more search bar is here, quick find. It will display the content based on the particular objects related search box, apps related, and the settings related. It will be displayed here. So friends, I hope you guys, I mean, you got out how to create an org, right? You have any doubts? Hello?
No, sir.
No, Arun.
Yeah, so can you please, present I am assigning a like small task. Please create your own arcs. If you facing any doubt, okay, we have our WhatsApp group, right? You can directly ping me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
మనం create చేసుకుంటారా సార్?
yeah, we know the, sorry, not getting.
అది మనం మేము ఒక ఆర్క్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోమంటారు సార్ మమ్మల్ని, కానీ ఇట్లా లాగిన్ అవ్వమంటారు.
అవును. ఎందుకు అంటున్నానంటే, సో ఫ్రమ్ టుమారో నుంచి మీకు టాస్క్లు ప్రతిదీ రియల్ టైం చెప్తాం కాబట్టి ఇది ఇంకోటి. సో మా మెయిన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏమంటే, మీకు థియరీ చెప్పేసి వదిలేయము, ప్రతిదీ మీ దగ్గర హ్యాండ్స్ ఆన్ చేపిస్తాం. అందుకు మిమ్మల్ని సపరేట్ ఆర్క్ క్రియేట్ చేయమంటున్నాను.
ఓకే సార్.
ప్రతి ఆర్కు ఇప్పుడు మేము ఏ ఆర్క్ ఫాలో అయ్యి మీకు చెప్తున్నామో అదే విధంగా మీ ఆర్క్లో కూడా అలా ఉంటుంది. అట్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద కోర్స్ మీరు ఒక సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ డెవలపర్ అడ్మిన్ నేను ఈజీగా నేను చేయగలను అని చెప్పి మీకు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ రావాలన్నమాట. ఇది మా మెయిన్ ఇంటెన్షన్.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. Great.
యా మహేష్, ఐఎమ్ అప్లోడింగ్ దట్ వీడియో. మ్యాక్స్ ఐ విల్ షేర్ విత్ దట్ గూగుల్ డ్రైవ్ లింక్ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ యూట్యూబ్ unlisted playlist I am creating. So I will share with you all guys that yesterday video, demo video.
For every day, you'll record the video and send it to me.
Yes, sure, I will send you all guys. Okay, no need to worry.
Okay. That
Yeah,
will be
yeah.
better, I think, for our reference. If you have any doubts,
Yeah,
we can
definitely.
play the video and we can.
Yes, definitely. And one more thing, if you are facing anything like so if you have any doubts, you can ping me in WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, you have any doubts in this session?
నో సార్.
No.
క్లియర్.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Due to some urgent work, Swaroop is not joined. Yeah, Mahesh, Swaroop,
Yeah.
we have our trainer in the sense, he's my colleague, like he is working as a Salesforce senior developer.
Okay.
So he was taking the session, okay. But anyhow, maybe tomorrow he will join, Mahesh.
Okay. No problem.
Yeah, okay, Mahesh. And Naveen, Vinod, thank you. If you
Okay,
if you are facing any doubt, and guys, please try to create an arc. Don't miss,
Yeah.
okay? For tomorrow, that will be better to perform the task in your personal arc. What you say?
ఓకే సార్.
Yeah, okay. Okay, if you have any doubts, and if you are feeling like, and Vinod and Naveen, why I am trying to say every concepts in English in the sense, the thing is that you are going to like one of the particular MNC or startup anyhow, they will mainly focusing on your communication, how your communication, okay. That's why
Yes, sir.
I am trying to teach in English only.
ఓకే
No,
సార్.
sir. I don't have any problem with your English.
Okay.
I easily understand, sir.
Yeah, okay. If you are facing anything like if you are sorry I am not able to understand means, at the time I can teach you in Telugu. తెలుగులోనే మీకు చెప్తాను. కానీ మన మెయిన్ ఏమంటే మనం ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద కోర్స్లో మీకు కొంచెం కమ్యూనికేషన్తో పాటు కాన్సెప్ట్ రావాలి, ఇది అనమాట.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ, హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ డే.
Yeah.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, Arun.
యా, బై.
Bye bye.